Hi, my name is Alicia. In this experiment, I'm going to determine if an ice cube will melt faster in salt water or in fresh water. I predict that the salt water will melt faster than the fresh water. I see that the freshwater ice cube is smaller than the saltwater ice cube. They are both melting at a similar speed. Question: how does the density of an object affect its floating or sinking behavior in another fluid? I'm going to use the example of the Dead Sea. It contains so much salt water that your body floats due to the fact that the salt makes the water more dense than the human body. Question: using the physics concept of heat transfer, explain your results. Could your results be explained in any other way? The concept of heat transfer explains three principles: conduction, convection, and radiation. Throughout this experiment, I have observed that the conduction is the primary heat transfer in this type of experiment. Conduction is the transfer of heat from one molecule to another through a substance. In my experiment, ice cubes or solid water molecules were being in a direct contact with fresh and salt water molecules in a liquid state. This is an example of conduction. As the ice is melting, heat energy is being transferred from the water. As the ice melts, it is trying to gain temperature equilibrium with water molecules. Fresh water has a better ability to retain its heat energy and maintains its starting temperature longer. Salt water doesn't have the same capacity as fresh water and will not resist the temperature change as much as the fresh will. Therefore, the salt water can become colder and would melt ice slower. These results were conducted in my experiments. I used everything the same except one was salt water and the other was fresh. I had the same water temperature out of the fridge, same size ice cube, same size cup. If you change any of these variables, it could affect the results.